In this video I'm going to show you exactly how to connect a live trading account or a demo trading account to TradingView.com, and I'm going to show you exactly how to place live trades on the real market. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Trades by Mo. So the first things first we're going to do, you can see down here it says Oanda Demo. Let's click on this and drag this straight up. You can see I have a demo account open with 94,000 in it. If you don't have an account connected, when you see this down here it'll show trading panel, and when you click this box it'll show a list of brokers all down here. So you're going to want to click the broker that you have an account with or that you want to create an account with. I have this Oanda demo account that I use from time to time, but it'll show trading panel there, and then you go down and click Oanda, and then it'll ask you to log in and then click allow for it to allow to connect to TradingView. Once that's done, it'll show your linked account right here, so that you can then just drag this back down to the bottom again, like so. Now we are now connected, and you see there's a green dot there, which means everything is good, everything is connected with the account. So you now have your account connected to TradingView.com, which means you don't need to use MT4, you don't need to use MT5, it all links up directly. So now the next thing you want to do is place a trade. So you can see I'm on Bitcoin on the 5 minute for just an example. You have to make sure that that pair that you've got linked right up here is the Oanda version. Because I'm using Oanda, I have to make sure that this says Oanda here and not another one like Coinbase or Binance or anything like that. Okay, so this must say Oanda here, otherwise it won't work. So then you'll right click, you want to click enter a trade, and you can click buy or sell. Alternatively, you can just click the red or the blue up here. So for this example, I'm going to enter a buy. And then you get this pop-up on the side here. So I'm going to keep it as that, leave it as market, and enter a buy trade. Now what I also like about this is you have this line here, and you have the take profit and stop loss buttons. Because we've entered a buy, we can click on this take profit button and drag it up into profit, just like that. And then you can click modify, and you can see that take profit is set, but I do really like the feature where you can drag them and move them around separately. Alternatively, with this you can click the stop loss, and you can pull that down and set a stop loss wherever you want. This isn't a real trade, this is just purely example, just to show exactly how you'd set this up. But there you go, and then whether the trade hits take profit or stop loss, and then you can also click on this and drag this up to see your trade in action down here, and you can click here to exit, or you can click there to exit. But there you go, I hope that helps. I just wanted to clear that up for some of you because I know a couple of people have been asking. But thank you very much for clicking on this video. But I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Thank you very much.